Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my last video, I have already told you something related to variable, type and default. So in my last video, I was telling you even if you are declared employee name as string, then also if you are passing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is number, and then also it is treating number as a string and it is working here. So in that case, how you can handle this? And the second problem is the salary cannot be negative. No one will work for in the negative salary, right? So you cannot give the salary, it is negative. Okay, so for that what you can use validation. So let me just uh, write it here, validation. And in the validation you can put condition. And what is the condition will be true or false. Okay, so here what can be true and what could be false. So this value means you can write employee name, means var dot employee name. Okay, var dot employee name, it should always greater than 0, or you can put yeah, it is always greater than 0. If you put 0 or any negative thing, it won't take. And if it is 0 or negative, you can put some error message saying that salary can't be 0 or negative. Okay, this error message you can give. So now let me run this. I saved it, and now if I'm putting here salary minus, so see what we are getting, salary can't be 0 or negative. Okay, let me just clear it. And now if you put salary 0, I'm putting salary as 0, see, then also it's not working. Okay, but if you put 1, it will work. Why? Because of the validation condition here. Okay, so this is the way you can put the validation. Similar way we have to put the validation for your employee name. Why? Because you want employee name should be only alphabet, not the number. Okay, in that case you can use the regex, and I already have prepared it. Then you can use this validation condition. Okay, this normal regex things. So what we are doing here is we are just writing the can, means it could be only, it can be only alphabet. Okay, this is simple regex. So let me just check it now. Okay, now clear. Okay, clear it. And what I'm giving, employee name I'm giving 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Previously, even after giving the type as a string, it was working and it is giving me no error. But right now, if you run it, it is giving error saying that employee name is 1 2 3 4 5. Employee name must contain only alphabet character. Okay, now if you give some name as Amit, Sumit, okay, that will work. So this is the validation. So hope you have understand what is the validation, how you can use validation. Now I come to the documentation and I'll show you what are all things we have covered. So we have covered argument, default, we have covered type, description, simply you can put the validation, and the next things is sensitive and nullable. So in the next video we will learn about sensitive and nullable, and go to the type. What are type we have covered? We have covered string and number. We have not covered boolean. Boolean is the true and false. You can, let's suppose that any employee is active today, so you can put active, or status can be active. So this type active or true or false, if it is, then you can use the boolean, and you know like what release, set, map, object tuple. So I will just give one example for all the things in my next video. So we have already covered these things. Okay, so maybe I'll finish this variable part in my next video. I'll cover list, tuple and map, list and map basically, and then sensitive and nullable. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.